Hi, Assalamualaikum, and a very good day to you. My name is Anik Amar Ekwan, and my group gonna present to you Android application platform. Okay, so let's go to the objectives of the Android application platform. First of all, to find the most resourceful platform to download the application based on ratings, category, highest ratings of an application, and number of downloads. Second, to analyze the distribution of the application of game based on category of the game, platform to download, interactive of the user, and whether the application need to pay or not. And the third one, which is to identify the usefulness and appropriateness of the application by showing the platform whether information and location can be shared with the third parties, restricted internet status, age category, and also it have parental guidance. So let's go to our dashboard. It's over here, and also as you can see, there are 6 platforms that we have to interpret the data, doing data visualization, and also doing a storytelling to you guys. So we go to the first one, which is percentage number of downloads by the age. As you guys can see from the charts, you can see that there is a category, age category for everyone, 12 plus, 7 plus, 15, 14 plus, and 16 plus, and elsewhere. But in this pie chart, you can see there are 86% of everyone's age category, followed by 12 plus category, which is 6%, followed by 7 for 4%, and 2% are being shared with the rate, and another 2% is for the 18 plus. So we go to the next chart, which is the total number of the game application based on category. And as you can see from the charts, there are too much of category for the games, such as arcade, RPG, strategy, puzzle, beauty game, racing, and also board, and many more. So as you can see from the graph, from the chart, sorry, you can see the highest number is for puzzle, which is 1,501. The last one is the casino, which is get to the lowest value, which is 98. Last chart of the dashboard. And as you can see, the title of the chart is a total application based on age and category. So as you can see, there are bar charts over here, then they got a lot of category from there, such as tools, beauty, books and demo, shopping, and many more. So as from the charts, we can interpret that the highest number and also the highest category dominating the chart is tools, which is 5,230k. 230k? No, it's a 5,230. Got my word right. So let's go to the next one, which is 2.57k, or else we call it 2,570, is for entertainment. And the next one is productivity and education, which is slightly same, which is 2.46 and 2.34k. And for the last one, which is 0.06, which is only 60, is for beauty. But as you can see from the graph, from the chart, sorry, you can see there is a domination of the everyone's category in here. So we can see that customer or Android user love to download from everyone's category instead of they using 12 plus, 7 plus, and 18 plus category. So that's all from me today. Right now, we're gonna go to the next phase, which is for my group mates.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Firstly, I will introduce myself. My name is Nadia Nazirah binti Bidin, and I will explain our second dashboard entitled Android application. For my part, in general, I will explain number of application, age category, parental guidance, application, and number of application based on rating and age category. This is the dashboard Android application for users, especially for their parents who are concerned with what their children look on a gadget. Based on the dashboard, there are 47,152 number of application. Based on the number of application, we decide to divide them into age category, which are 7 plus, 12 plus, 16 plus, 18 plus, everyone, and no info. In general, we can see for all age category. Next, this is chart on parental guidance application. Based on the number of applications, there are 46,017 applications that have no parental guidance. Meanwhile, 1,135 applications that have parental guidance. The number of applications that have no parental guidance shows the highest compared to the number of applications that have parental guidance. Next, for the third chart, I will explain about the number of applications based on rating and age category. In general, it shows that the rating with range 4.1 to 4.5 shows the highest with total of 17,675, followed by rating with range 3.6 to 4.0 with total of 11,347, and rating with range 3.1 to 3.5 with total of 5,286. Meanwhile, rating with range 0 to 1.5 shows the lowest with total of 286.
Before I start, I will introduce myself. My name is N4CS2485B1 binti Isnin. I will present about chart of the number of application based on have games and paid or not. There are whether we need to pay or free when we want to download some application, and some of application that have a game or not. From the chart, we can see that whether the application need to pay or free to download, 70% and more of the application does not have a game. So the left more than 20% has a game in their application. Next, for chart of the number of the applications that have location and information share or not. Some of the application that has feature like location and information share, so that we can share location and information to the third parties. From the chart, the application that has not have location and information are dominant, but it has 70.49% of the application that have two features, but it's still small amount of it. For last chart, the number of application that have user interact and restricted internet status or not. User interact is whether we can interact to the third parties or not. For example, when we play game at PUBG application, we can play with our friends. Same like WhatsApp application, we can chat and video call to our friend too. For the restricted internet status are whether the application have limited internet access or not. From chat, we can see that whether the application has or not restricted internet status, there are more than 78% that have no user interaction feature compared to has user interaction in their application. For the conclusion, in generally, there are lists of applications that have all features like have parental guidance, location share, info share, restricted internet status, and user interaction. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, so right now we are at the platform dashboard for Android application platform. As you can see, there are a number of platforms over here. There are some platforms that we can do a demo later. So we start off with the Google Play. As you can see, you can check all the changes of the table. And if you want to see the age category, you can go to this category. Let's say you want to go to 18, everyone, 16, and 12. And also you can go to another platform as well. And right now we are at Android application. So you can see there are the number of application, age category, and number of parental guidance. Let's say you want to check on 12 plus age category. So they will show you how many number of application, and all the tables are changed into over here. So you can see over there. And yeah, it's a very fun to learn, and also you can do to everyone as well. And the last one is, yeah, you can go back to the standard settings. That's all. Thank you.